Look like you stop answer your phone. I from day me I call you to see if you forward still in my youth.
Brother, sure you don't even know, man. I see phone I could even answer it, man. You work the pressure into them, man.
Oh, cause me I wonder, man. Me I say yo, I dodgy my try dodgy 6 love or something in a FIFA. Me don't know.
Nah, pre na FIFA right now, man. Cause my day kinda messed up, man. Me nah like to you.
Something to you.
So me in the office, my youth, and me smell something, me I say, yo, I was just thinking of the office, yo. And me walk around a couple places and me ask my coworker if them smell it and them I say no. So me I say no, man, something strange, man. And you know say, boy, we have to wear a mask at the office and them thing there from one day because of the whole COVID thing and them something there.
Yeah.
So brother, I go so boom and take off the mask, right? So me I say, yo, me smell the mask to see if there's something wrong with the mask or something. Me sniff the mask, me not smell nothing. And me realize say, yo, when me have off the mask, me not smell nothing at all. No, because thickness none. So me I say, yo, there's something wrong with my brain or something like, and me I think something.
Dog, me your bridging long time, don't.
Brother, what I have to do, what me just tell you?
I ask you something, man. Me I try help you to figure out how really are going, isn't it?
Me and your friend long time, like, yeah, we know each other long time. What you ask me that?
I want to ask you something. I want to make sure you left here again.
Brother, you get me upset, man. What she have to do nothing? Me tell you what I go on and work with the center and the office and them thing you ask about Sherry.
Brother,
Sherry don't have to do this, man.
You man answer a question, man. You get a style for my youth.
Me tell you this already. The girl, my, just up and left me, man. Me feel like her friend them fault. Me feel like the friend them she have my, cause every time me there around her friend them a skin up them face and them something there. Like say something wrong with them. You see me? I me never do them nothing yet in my youth.
I think her friend them.
The girl that come talk about, oh, she have to go left me. Because boy, every time she there with me, I know it's a bun her.
Bruh. You and Sherry ever kiss before?
But me and her have to kiss her feet. Brother, we ask me all them questions for. Cause me confused right now. You make me sus. Brother, you sound sus right now. You ask me all them questions for.
Why the girl, I gotta tell you say, her nose bun her when she there around you.
You know, brother, I still don't understand why you ask me that. What do you mean if it add up? What kind of add up you ask about? What do you mean by add up?
Brother, you're slow, you know? Brother, as I say, me and your brethren long time, man, but sometimes I have to tell the truth, you see me? Dog, your breath stink.
Really, brother?
Some days, my youth, it's hard for me there around you. I'm not gonna lie to you, brother, and you're my brethren, you're my dog, you see me? It's hard for me there around you sometimes, my youth, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Wow. Dog, me I say it's a miracle. Make John on a picture and take away my youth. Dog, me feel like something that fly off with them.
Oh my God! You know, me the kind of wonder if it's a case where boy you know and you just not care. Can you know some big man out there when they just not care now? But now I realize say, I know that a case. You're legit. Nah, no nose. Your nose not work, my youth. Your nose not work. You have to go do something about that. Since you know right now, you have to go do something about that, my youth. Stop smelling breath, my youth. Mind not kill yourself about it. Just stop.
Wow.
Brother. You have this bag of wow. How happened? You have baby sham?